Meaning of framework.
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 Framework. A framework is a structure or set of rules that provides guidance and support for an activity or project. In software development, a framework is a collection of pre-written code that developers can use as a basis for their own applications. Frameworks provide a standardized way of creating and organizing code, which can save time and improve efficiency. They typically include libraries, utilities, and tools that enable developers to build complex applications more easily. Overall, frameworks are designed to simplify the development process and ensure that applications are scalable, maintainable, and reliable.